Then we want to master the color palette. Colors evoke emotions, and they help communicate your brand's personality. Use them wisely. Stick to 3 to 5 colors, a main color and a secondary, and then maybe a couple of accents. You can use a color wheel to find complementary colors that work well. Canva has one, and I will put that link in the email that goes out after this. Because if you have a color you like, or even two, you can put the color codes in there and find the corresponding and complementary colors. But make sure the text is readable using high contrast between the text and the background. You don't want to put a purple and a red font on top of each other, not necessarily going to be seen. But then create visual balance. Forgot to put the link there. So canva.com/colors/color-wheel is a great tool for mastering your colors. Visual balance. Balanced designs feel more organized and are easier for the viewer. Use the rule of thirds to position your elements on the screen. Divide your design into a 3x3 and place important elements along the lines or intersections. Avoid overcrowding. Don't put everything all in one place. Leave white space to let your design breathe. Not too much content on one thing. One of my biggest pet peeves is just all this content on a page. Fill it up, fill it up, fill it up. Your eye can't travel, your eye can't move around and peruse it. People are more likely to read like bullets and just look at the highlights and the headlines to see if they want to look further. So distribute the elements evenly. Don't put everything all in one place. And then keep it simple. Less is more. Focus on one main message per graphic. Don't overload your design with too many elements. Everything needs to have a purpose. Avoid flashy effects like unnecessary shadows or gradients or animations. You don't want things that are going to distract from your purpose. What are you trying to get across? And then use Canva's tools to your advantage. Canva has pre-designed templates and tools to make your work easier. You've got an alignment and grid tools, preset color palettes, and a ton of wonderful templates. So I'm going to give you a couple of those that I helped created on my own. But if you get a pro account, Canva's got a ton. So here's how we're going to dive in. So first, you want to get a Canva account. Explore the option to upgrade for features like resizing. That's transparency backgrounds are one of my favorites, but not necessary. Access to premium templates. So there are some tips and tricks that you get when you get a pro account, but that's completely up to you. And I think it's like maybe $20 a month or something. I don't pay for ours. This has been an account we've had for a long time. Explore the dashboard. So we're going to pop into Canva